काँग्रेस ब्लॉक कमिटीच्या उमेदवारांची नावां शिफारस करपा खातीर तालुक्यांत 31 ऑगस्टाक बसका जातली। काँग्रेस पक्षांत खंयचो उमेदवार योग्य आसा ते थारावपाक ही बसका जातली, अशी माहिती गोंय काँग्रेस प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंह हांणी दिल्या। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
We have received the block Congress committees have sent their recommendations for the candidates to the districts. The districts are holding the meeting and they have to submit their proposals with the comments on the winnability and the suitability of the Congress candidate in the coming Goa Assembly elections by 31st of August. And sometime in middle of September, we'll hold our Pradesh Election Committee meeting to start the process of selection of candidates. And it will be done in stages. Wherever there is a unanimity, those names will be recommended to the Central Election Committee. And I would like to reiterate that the views and the sentiments of the Goa Congress state leaders will be on the top of the agenda. We have also finalized our charge sheet against the BJP government, which will be released also in the middle of September.